Welcome to this video in which we will be making this part and we will be learning Lofted Boss base command. This is the complete drawing of this part. You can find these dimensions and drawings in the description. Let's start. At first change this units to IPS. Now go to sketch. Select circle front plane and make circle up here. Go to smart dimension. Select this circle and make diameter as 5 inches. Now select the center of the circle and press Ctrl button on your keyboard. Click here and make dimension as 8.5 inches. Now again press the Ctrl button on your keyboard, select the center of the circle, select this point and make relation as vertical. Okay. Now it's fully defined. Click OK. Now select top plane normal to top plane sketch. Now select this rectangle command and make a rectangle up here. Select smart dimension. Select this side of the rectangle. Make it as 5 inches. Select the other side of the rectangle and make it as 5 inches. Now it became a square. Press the Ctrl button on your keyboard. Select these 2 points. Make relation as vertical. Go to smart dimension. Select this line. Select this point. And make distance as 6 inches. Okay. Now select right plane and sketch. Now we will be making 3-point arc. Select this 3-point arc. Click here and here. Select this area. Now press the Ctrl button on your keyboard. Select this circle and select this point. And select this option pierce. Again press the Ctrl button. Select this point. Select this line. And pierce again. Now make a center line. Select this point and make a horizontal center line at 0 degree. Again press the Ctrl button. Select this arc and this center line. Make relation as tangent. Now go to feature, exit the sketch, select Lofted Boss command. In this profile section, select the circle and this square. This is the shape we wanted to create. Now select thin feature. Okay. Select top plane sketch. We will be making a flange here. Select center line and make 2 lines like this. Then select rectangle and make a rectangle like this. And select all of these lines of the rectangle and make it as construction. Now go to smart dimension and make these 2 dimension as 6.5 inches each side. We will be making a circle here of 1 inch dia. Select 1 inch. Now make 3 more circles. like this. Now press the control button and select all these circles and make relation as equal. Now let's make a 3-point arc. Select this point on the circle, this point on the circle, and make a 3-point arc like this. Now press the control button, select this 3-point arc, select the circle and make relation tangent. Similarly, press the control button, select this circle and the arc, tangent, OK. Make this radius as 8. Now go to circular pattern command. For parameters, select this center point, and for features, select this arc. Make sure it should be 4. OK. Make a tangent relation here to fully define the circle. Now go to Extruded Boss, and in this contour section, select all of these circles, the inner side of the circle like this. Now select these arcs one by one. Now increase this number. It's perfect. OK. You can find the drawing and all the measurements related to this sketch in the description. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.